Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you one tip based on YouTube Studio. So there are things like if I talk about my YouTube journey, so it's a bit hard. So getting views is a tough task for me, but I have seen that I need to improve in a lot of my videos. Like YouTube is trying to push my videos to many people, or say is trying to push my video to a huge audience, but the thing is the engagement rate is too low that it is not at all able to get that further pushed. Okay, so I just want to show you how to check whether your video is doing good or if there is any issue in the quality of your video or something like this. So just so you can see, I have downloaded like a YouTube Studio app in my phone, and from there I have opened it. Just choose any video in which you want to see whether you have touched a huge audience or not. I won't say huge, but if you have got around within 10, if you have got around 10 views, or say 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, such kind of views, so you can check how many impressions you have got, or how many to how many people YouTube tried to push your video, but still if if your video did not get good engagement rate, so like it could not work further. So just to check it, just go to any video. I'm just going for this one, Canva student versus Canva Pro. I just got 5 views 3 days back. I posted it. Just click there and you can see downside video performance ranking by views, then views impressions. Click there, you can see 5 views, but let's check our reach. So YouTube tried to tried pushing my videos to 310, I won't say 310 individual people, but it may be possible that only a single. But suppose if I have got your video, and I have got your video by YouTube algorithm, and I did not give it attention, or I did not watch it. So what YouTube will try, if I am interested in the same kind of content, within one day itself YouTube will be trying to push the same video to me again. So it will be like one viewer but 2 impressions. So if one person is getting the same video 5 times in their timeline, so it would be like 5 impressions but 1 view. So based on that, I have got around 310 impressions, but overview views are just 5. So we can understand whether we need to do something good in our YouTube videos, or like where we are doing where we are lacking, what are the areas of improvement where we can work and we can gain like massive audience, or views, number of views, likes, subscribers, and everything. So yeah, it's a bit struggling journey, but I would say just keep on like doing whatever work you are doing on YouTube. And I think making one video, posting it, and then working on the areas where you need to improve is something that we will be learning in the long run. Like whatever learnings we will be getting, so it will be there with us for in the long run. So we can understand the say whatever areas of improvements are there, we can work on it, we can we can again get up with like better results, and then we can work on the same way. So I think it's a bit challenging, but yes, if once you will start it, the number of views, number of likes won't matter to you. Like for me, in the very beginning, when I started this channel, so it was a bit hard journey, but now I just make it. Whatever knowledge I have, I just try to squeeze all my knowledge, and I'm just sharing it, whether it is getting views or not. But still I used to find where I need to improve, what are the areas of improvement. I used to work on it, like slowly I'm trying to get coming up with better videos. But still if it is lacking, so I think nearby, in coming months, I'll start doing better. And yeah, just that you should not focus on the number of views and number of say like subscriber, but whatever work you are doing, just try to keep your mind and heart in it, and try to put your best efforts, like everything with your heart. Don't like just look into things where you are trying to do work in hurry up. So just focus on the main goal of it, and you will be on the way to like victory. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care. Bye.